Hello viewers, welcome back to Algebra math class. Today we shall continue with our topic on bearing and distance, and today we'll be working on episode 4. Now the example says that express each of the following compass bearing as three-figure bearings. Doing the first one, we have 34 degrees southeast. Now doing 34 degrees southeast, drawing out our 4 cardinal points. Here we have this to be our north, east, south, and west. So our 34 degree is going to be between south and east. So from here, it shows that from south going to east. So this is where 34 degree will be. And don't forget my explanation in the previous video that here we pick our bearing from the north. So our bearing starts from the north, and if your bearing wants to start from the north, it means that from this north coming down here is where we start our bearing from. And from here to here is 180. Okay, so for us to get what our bearing is, it means the theta is going to be 180 minus 34 degree. And 180 minus 34 degree, that gives us what? That gives us 146 degree. So that is our answer to the first question. And also to the B part of it, we have northwest 52 degree. Now drawing the 4 cardinal points, this is our north and this is our west. So 52 degree will be between north and west. So that means from north going to west, from north going to west, we have 52 degree. So expressing this as a three-figure bearing, that means our bearing start from where? Start from the north to and moves clockwise to these points. So the point, the total angle at a point is 360. So we know that. So doing this, that shows that our theta in this case is going to be what? 360 minus 52. So and that's going to give me what? That's going to give me 308 degree. So that means from here down here is 308 degree. And for the third question, I have southwest 28 degree. So drawing my 4 cardinal point, southwest, this is my north, south, and west. So 28 degree will be in between south to west. So south going to west, this is where my 28 degree will be. This is where my what? 28 degree will be. And taking our bearing from the north, it means our bearing starts from the north coming down to this place. Don't forget, this side is also inclusive. And from what we know, this is 180, right? That means from here to here, from the north to the south, is 180. So we have 180 on ground. And also the little part of south going to west is 28, added to what? 28. That is going to give me what? 208 degree. So that shows that coming from my north to my west gives what? 208 degree. And for the D part, I want you to try this as a classwork and put the answer in the comment section. Now, proceeding to example 2. In example 2, express the following three-figure bearings as compass bearing. So here it is given to us as three-figure initially. So we want to express this as what? Compass bearing. So going this way, 283. Don't forget that from here we have 1 to 90, 91 to 180, 181 to 270, and from here 271 to 360. So our 283 will fall in this part, okay, from 271 to 360. So we're drawing this to make it okay. So here we have 283 is going to be here, somewhere here. So that means from the north down here is going to be what? 283 degree. Now, going forward, don't forget we are representing this as a what? As a compass bearing. So our compass bearing, this is our north and this is my west. So that means I'm coming from my north to this point at which we have our bearing. Okay, so what is the angle from the north going to the west? Since everything is 360, so we have 360 minus 283, and that's going to give me what? North to west, and that is going to be 77 degree northwest. So that means 77 degree northwest. So it's just more or less like the inverse of the what? Of the three-figure bearing. Okay, so this is the form of compass bearing. And for the second part of it, we have 98 degree. So drawing our 98 degree, in this case 98 degree is going to be at this edge from 91 to 180. So my 98 degree is going to be somewhere here. Please don't mind my drawing is not drawn to scale. So that shows that from my north down here is 98 degree. And don't forget that here we have what? We have south and east. Our bearing goes from the south going to the east. So this little part is what we need. And since everything from here to here is 180, and we've gotten this part to be 98, so the remaining part is just going to be what? 180 minus 98. And my theta in that regard is going to be what? From the south to the east is going to be 82 degree. Okay, so I want you to try the C part also as a class exercise and put your answer in the comment section. Thank you. See you next video. Don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. Thank you.